What's happening, y'all? Here we are again. We got what we were waiting for. This is last mold we were waiting for from 6x13 Woodworks. So let me show you guys what we got. Nice and red. Alright, y'all, so here it is. 6x13 Woodworks. We have, this is the HDPE Epoxy resin form. Is the 18 by 36 by 2.5 inches. And as always, you get your tool, 6x13 Woodworks, and you get the silicones. I believe it comes pre-sealed, so you can actually use it straight out of the box. We'll let you know on the video whenever we use it, but I think it does. And yeah, it brings you instructions on how to use it. And not requiring more release, but it helps. So I got more release anyway, so that's what I'm gonna be using. But here it is. All right, so here's the bad boy. This is a big mama jumbo. Oh, this one's heavy. Well, this is what we got. Always made in USA. Boom. 6x13 Woodwork. They are located in Rosenberg, Texas. And this is very nice. Very nice. So there you guys go. Pretty soon we'll be using this one. I have some wood that I should be picking up this weekend or probably next week sometime. And we'll be able to try this bad boy out for the first time. So appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll be back.